Welcome to my channel Crazy Code Dunia. We will start new series on most IMP interview question, most frequently asked interview question in Java. It is applicable for fresher as well as experienced people. I have took many interview and seen most of the people are not aware about basic of Java. Any interview of Java developer start with core Java. If the people having the depth knowledge on core Java, then and then only the interviewer move forward for advanced and Spring Boot microservices. If you don't know about core Java well, then interview will be stop his interview on that point itself because you don't know core Java. So as per my experience, I have created one list of interview question and I'm trying to explain that interview question with you guys. If you like this series, please like and subscribe to my channel to motivate me to create a new video on interview series. So let's focus on this interview series. So our first interview program or interview question is what is mean by Java? What is mean by Java? Java is high level language. Java is high level language. There are three type of language. One is high level language, one is intermediate language called as assembly level language, and third is binary level language. In binary level language, we have 0101 kind of coding or numbering. In assembly level language, there will be machine level language, we can say, or intermediate language between machine and human called as assembly level language, and third language is called as high level language, which we are talking like English language is high level language. So in our keypad, if we are writing hello world, that is convert into binary level language, and then only computer will understand we are typing hello world program. So this is called as Java is high level language, means any can understand that language easily. So Java is object oriented programming language, means anything it in Java is object format only. So Java is object oriented programming language. Java is developed by James Gosling and his team in 1991 at Sun Microsystem Company. Initially, they named it as Oak programming language, but in 1995, the Oak language renamed to Java. Now it is popular language in world. In 2010, Sun Microsystem is acquired by Oracle Corporation. So now Java is under license of Oracle Corporation. Java is free and open source software. More than 3 billion of people or devices run on Java. More than 3 billion people using Java language. Java is highest secure language. Java is most popular language in the world. Java can run on any platform. That's why it is platform independent language. So if someone is asking you what is Java, so give this all reason this is the Java. Okay. So next move on to next question. What is the next question? List out the main feature of Java. List out the main feature of Java. So there are several feature of Java, but I have included 8 to 9 features which is most important. So first feature is Java is simple. Yeah, Java is simple because it is easy to understand. Syntax is quite simple, easy and clean to understand. The confusion and ambiguation concept of C++ are left out in Java, or they have been re-implemented in cleaner way in Java. Means example point of view, we have a pointer and operator overloading in C language. We have a pointer and operator loading in C language, but in Java there is no pointer and operator overloading. So this is called as Java is simple. Second feature of Java, Java is platform independent. So why Java is platform independent? Interviewer must ask this question to fresher. Why Java is platform independent? Look the reason. Unlike other programming language such as C, C++, which are compiled into platform specific machine, which are compiled into platform specific machine, means C, C++ having their own compiler. They're having own compiler and specific to machine and having specific to machine. But Java is guaranteed to be write once and run anywhere language. Means once we write a Java code, you can run that Java code through any machine. If I write a Java code, you can run that Java code on your machine. This is power of Java. Means it is platform independent. If I have OS like Windows 10 and you have Ubuntu, if I write a Java code Windows 10, even though you can run that program in your Ubuntu programming language. So that's why it is object oriented. So it become platform independent. When we compile Java code, it will generate byte code. It will generate byte code. Keep focus on this one. It will generate byte code. Who will become creating this byte code? The JVM create the byte code. The JVM Java virtual machine will create a byte code. This byte code is platform independent. This byte code is platform independent and can run on any machine. This bytecode format also provides security. How, sir? Bytecode how it will provide security? Because this bytecode is not human readable format. It need compiler to compile that bytecode. Any machine with Java runtime environment can run on Java program. We will see JRE. What is Java runtime environment? Okay. So any machine with Java runtime environment can run Java program. Okay. So JVM create a bytecode and that bytecode is independent to run on any machine. That's why Java is platform independent. Got it? Okay. So next feature is OOPS language. Java is object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Means if you are creating a class, called as object. If you are creating a method, called as object. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different type of object that incorporate both data and behavior. Focus on data and behavior. What the definition says, object oriented means organization our software as a combination of different type of object that incorporate both data and behavior. Object oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules. There are some rules to write a Java program to create an object. So we that object oriented programming language provide that rules to simplify and maintaining and deployment of that software. Okay, let's check next point. What is next feature of Java? So Java is secure. As we discussed, because of bytecode, Java is secure. When it comes to security, Java is always first choice. When come to security, Java is always first choice. With Java secure feature, it is enabled to develop virus free, temper free system. Java program always run on Java runtime environment called as JRE with almost null interaction with OS. Why Java is secure? If someone is asking you why Java is secure, first point, because Java is converted source code into bytecode and that source code is not human readable. That's why Java is secure. Second thing, Java program always run on JRE with almost null interaction with OS. Hence, it is more secure. Okay, let's fifth features of Java called as multi-threading. Java multi-threading features make it possible to write a program that can do many tasks simultaneously. Benefit of multi-threading it that utilize same memory and other resource to execute multiple thread at the same time. Like while typing, grammatical error are checked along with. Multi-threading means we can perform different tasks simultaneously. In general example, we can say we are having tea at the time of watching movie. At same time, we are scrolling reels. At same time, we are talking to our guest, called as multi-threading. So Java is providing multi-threading. So in technical language, how multi-threading? So Java is when we are typing something in Java, it will check grammatically as well as syntactically. So that's the features providing by Java. There are multiple thread. Suppose someone want the method M1, so simultaneously they can accept that method M1. So called as multi-threading. Point number six or feature number six, architecture neutral. Architectural neutral. Compiler generate bytecode which have nothing to do with a particular computer architecture. Hence, Java program is easy to interpret on any machine. Point number seven or feature number seven, portable. Java bytecode can be carried to any platform. No implementation dependent feature. Everything related to storage is predefined. Like example, size of predefined data type are fixed. But in Java, value of predefined data type is fixed. So that's why it is portable. Point number eight, high performance. Java is interpreted language. So it will never be as fast as a compiler language like C and C++. But Java enable high performance with use of just in time compiler. So what compiler we are using? So we are using just in time compiler as I earlier used. So to decode any code, so we are using decompiler. And what compiler we are using in Java? So we are using just in time compiler. Make the correct sentence here. We are using just in time compiler in Java to become a high performance. Point number 9, it is distributed. What is mean by distributed? First, Java is also distributed language. Programmer can design to run on computer network. Java has special library for communicating using TCP and IP protocol. Creating network connection very much easy in Java compared to C and C++. Means we can distribute our application one server, two server, three server like this. So Java is distributed. So let's focus on next interview question. It is very IMP interview question. What is difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? I will explain this question in simple way with the diagram. Just focus on diagram. I have written outermost box called a JDK. Inside that box we have a JRE, and inside that box we have a encircle JVM. So means first box we have JDK, second box we have JRE, and third box we have JVM. JDK contain JRE and development tools. JDK contains JRE and development tools. JDK stand for Java Development Kits. Now JRE called as Java Runtime Environment. It is most important feature to Java as a platform independent. It provide library and JVM. It provide library and JVM to run Java application. Okay. Third, JVM, Java Virtual Machine, execute Java bytecode. Means whatever the class you have written, like I have written hello world program. So that hello world program convert into bytecode by using JVM, Java Virtual Machine. And that bytecode make our Java is platform independent. Got it? Let's go in detail. I have already given the difference in below. Let's check that difference. What is JDK, JRE, and JRE? So take the screenshot and read this one. What is JDK, JRE, and JVM? I have just explained what is what. So JDK means JRE plus development tools. JRE means JVM plus library, and there is a no implementation, only runtime environment to execute the code. Okay. JDK consists of many development tools. JRE consists of class library and other files. JVM does not consist any software tools. So just take this screenshot and read properly. This is most IMP questions, pressure level or experience level. It is asked by interviewer what is difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. Now, question number 4 for fresher, it will ask what is package statement. So, package statement, it is group of our classes. Package statement, it is group our classes. Almost we can write only one package. We can write only one package statement in Java program. Means if I want to write any Java program, so in that Java program, only one package statement will be there. The condition to write a package is package statement should be first statement. Package statement should be first statement in program. If I write the second, then we will get compile time exception. Then we will get compile time exception. Okay. Then what is import statement? So import statement are used to import one program into another program. Let's discuss. We have a two program. One is student and another is book. I want book property in student class. So I am importing that book class into student class. Okay, by using import statement. So we can write multiple import statement in one program. It depend on your requirement. We should write import statement after package statement only. Our first statement should be in our Java program is package, and second statement should be write anything. It is import statement or anything. Okay. There are two type of import statement. Like one is a static import and it's normal import or explicit import. Like that we have a import statement, but we are not discussing this thing in detail here. So I just discussing what is import statement. The next thing, what is class? Question number 6, what is class? This question may be asked in fresher level, what is class? Or you can also be given this reference to in object oriented programming in OOP features. So class is the most important part in Java program. Class is a plan. Class is a plan. We are creating plan of our home while we are building our home. Then we are creating plan. So like that in Java, class is a plan to define program element. Inside class, we will write variable and method, also called data and behavior. Variable and method also called as data and behavior. So inside class, we will write variable and method. Okay. The second definition we have, a class is simply a representation of type of object. A class is simply representation of type of object. It is blueprint. It is blueprint oblique plan oblique template. Means it is blueprint or plan or template that describe the detail of that object. Okay. So let's check question number 7. What is variable? So how we will create a class? So class will be created like this. Example, public class demo. So this is class creation. Okay. So now what is variable? Variable are used to store data. Variable are used to store data. We can write any number of variable inside a class. Means suppose I want 10 variable, I can declare 10 variable inside that class. Okay. So how we can create a variable? How we can create a variable? So variable we can create integer. Suppose x is a variable and we have defined value x to 10. So this is called as data type and x is called as variable. X is called as variable, and this 10 I will assign the value to that x variable. Okay. So let's focus on next question. What is method? Next question is, what is method? Method are used to perform action. In simple language, we can say method is a function. Suppose I want to do something, so I will return in Java called as method. I want withdraw money, so withdraw is the method. I want to deposit money, deposit is the method. So method is perform the action. Application business logic we will write inside the method. Means withdrawal logic I will write inside that withdrawal method. Deposit logic I will return in deposit method. So the syntax of writing method: public, return type, method name, method name, or here we can say modifier. We will discuss what is modifier and all the things. So this is called as syntax of method. So let's check general example. So general example is public, return type is string, and string should be capital, and method name is withdraw, deposit. Like this we can write a method in Java. So this is for fresher. I know the experienced people might know this all the things. Let's check how many type of primitive data type are provided by Java. There are 8 primitive data type in Java, called as boolean, character, byte, integer, short, long, float. These are the 8 primitive data type in Java. What is meant by primitive data type? So primitive data type is data type that are built in data type in Java and can be used directly without using a new keyword. Means if I want to use integer, I don't need to create a new keyword. I don't need to write a new keyword to write a integer data type. Second point, before using any variable, it must declare with data type, name, and initial value. As we seen in the above program, or you can see here, integer is the data type, this is the name, and this is the initial value. 10 is the initial value, x is the name of that variable, and integer is the data type. Okay. So remember that if you don't declare variable and if you try to use that variable, you will get compile time error. Also, if you not initialize that variable and try to use that variable, you will get compile time. But some cases, the JVM provide default value. In some cases, JVM provide default value. Let's check the question number 10, and this is last question in today's session. Why Java is not 100% pure object oriented language? This is most important question and most IMP question. Why Java is not 100% pure object oriented language? Because we are using primitive data types like byte, boolean, character, short, integer, float, long, double. Hence, Java is not pure object oriented programming language. Also, we are using wrapper classes. That is also one second reason Java is not 100% pure or object oriented language. Thank you. We will stop here. If you want next question, please like and subscribe to my channel to motivate me to create a new videos. Thank you.